Sige na, inumpisahan na natin eh.
Oh my God.
Pero AI ito eh, 'di ba? Kasi ang galing naman ng ang galing naman ng kanyang neck, 'di ba? Masyadong maganda yung pagkakagawa ng neck para maging totoo eh. Pero wow eh, 'di ba? Nakakatawa yung reaction ng isang ostrich. Ice age na boy. Skeleton found sa Oslo, Iceland. O Norway ba yan? It belonged to... Ganito yung drawing niya, oh. Ano kaya to? Hindi na siya Neanderthal eh. Homo sapiens na pala to, di ba? Okay. So, yan yung art. Grabe, oh, di ba? Most likely, ganyan talaga yung itsura niya eh. I'm sure it's gonna be very, very close to this. Pero ibang itsura niya kaysa dun sa mga Caucasian, di ba? Kasi sa Norway, iba na yung itsura nila ngayon eh. Parang mukhang mulato eh, di ba? So, humans are, I don't know if humans are still just evolving para maging white, di ba? Or what? Maybe this boy is a mixed race also. Ito, panoorin natin si Astro Alexandria. Favorite ko tong chick na to eh.
You say a lot of space events are once in a lifetime, but this one really is. Exactly 3 years
Okay.
from yesterday, an asteroid 370 meters across, traveling 7.5 kilometers per second, is going to pass closer to Earth than some of our satellites. Just for
Okay.
reference, if an object that size traveling that fast hit Earth, it would cause destruction for hundreds of kilometers, and the
Grabe, kasing laki lang ng Eiffel Tower. Although malaki talaga yung Eiffel Tower, pero if you're gonna consider it relative to the size of the Earth, ang liit lang nun.
energy it released would be equivalent to hundreds of nuclear weapons.
Hundreds of nuclear weapons agad, 'di ba? Well, sa bagay, yung hydrogen bomb at saka yung SAR bomba ng ng tawag dito ng Russia is about ganun din kalakas eh.
Thankfully, it's not going to hit, but it will get very close. On Friday the
Okay.
13th of April, 2029, the asteroid Apophis will have the
2029.
closest flyby of an
Apophis, yan yung sinasabi ni Neil deGrasse Tyson dati. Back then, sinasabi na niya yan, 2013 pa ata, 'di ba? Yung first na nanonood ako kay Neil deGrasse Tyson. Mga around that year. And wow, it's been parang dati ang layo pa eh, 'di ba? Parang ang layo pa noon eh, first time kong naririnig 'to. Tapos ngayon, 3 years na lang from now, 2029. Grabe. Bilis ng panahon.
object its size in hundreds or thousands of years at only 31,000 kilometers from Earth. That will take it closer than many satellites and only a tenth of the distance to the moon. That's so
Closer than many satellites. So nasa may area na ng mga satellites.
close that if you're in the right spot on Earth, you'll be able to see it. Even though it's not going to hit, it is going to keep orbiting the sun in a very similar orbit to us. So it is going to have more close approaches in 2036, 2051, 2066, and 2068, but none of them as close as the one in 3 years. We don't really have great
Okay.
calculations after that. Check in again in 2068. You say a lot.
Anyway, Apophis, yun. Dati kasi nung first time na sinasabi ni Neil deGrasse yan, nung narinig ko sa kanya, baka sakali, hindi pa sure kung tatama o hindi. Kumbaga, slight chance. Pero now, seems like they're sure na hindi tatama. Oh, ito, panoorin natin to.
一回立てる
UFC fighter Kai Asakura stated that he could bring down any size normal man. This is what happened. So, nakahanap sila ng isang bakulaw na mama. Siguro baka almost 7, baka kasing laki ni Shaq to. Ikaw. Oh. So ang goal niya is to take down. Oh, shoot. Double leg. Grabe. Hinagis-hagis lang siya. Pucha, sinisipa niya, madaya. Puta, mabibigyan na siya. Mabibigyan siya. Ito si Pards, walang training, tapos malaki lang. Hindi siya marunong sa bagay, halata naman dun sa galaw niya, 'di ba? This dude is probably more than 300 pounds.
Yeah.
Grabe, oh. Na-shock siya eh. It's a white dude. Parang si Big Show siguro halos to. Oh man. Okay. Okay. Ano ko sabi niya? Okay. Kai Asakura is definitely a badass. He's a badass. He's a UFC fighter. He's highly trained. But biology and physics is the law. 'Di ba? If kung especially guys like this, ang laki, kumbaga actually almost maxed out yung doon sa, kung let's say ako malamang mas malaki ako kay Asakura, baka kaya niya ako 'di ba? O malamang kaya niya talaga ako kasi hindi naman ako, kung mas matangkad ako sa kanya, konti lang tinangkad ko sa kanya, 'di ba? Pero this one, siguro it's almost like 3 of him yung laki niya, or more than 3 times his size ang and weight siguro. So it's impossible, and merong threshold. What this proves is merong threshold ang kayang i-negate ng skill. Kung malakas ka tapos malaki ka, kahit gaano ka kagaling makipaglaban, yan ang mangyayari sa'yo. Kaya huwag kang masyadong matapang. Okay, so this dude is like a chihuahua overestimating his skills, barking at a Rottweiler. But any guy siguro mga malapit sa niya, sa size niya, I'm sure he'd beat up 99.999% of them. Okay? Pero ito, takedown lang naman yung niya yung sinasabi niya, hindi naman niya sinabing bubugbugin niya. Okay? Okay. Siguro it would be a different scenario kung may suntukan. Although it's not really gonna parang let's say sapakin niya to, for sure it will still hurt, it will be annoying, but I doubt he'd be able to knock him out unless he gets extremely lucky. Okay.